I think the most exciting part of the Rising Stars program is giving kids exposure, students exposure to real world experiences and opportunities to be able to meet and work side by side with professionals in the field, to become comfortable with manufacturing and construction trade, to really become inspired, hopefully, to actually pursue careers.
There's one particular student I know who was like, I don't want to go to college, I want to go to construction. But I want to go in construction because I want to have my own business, and I want to do architecture and landscaping. And I know that like construction gives me that entryway and that access to information. So there are students who have like an understanding of where they want to go, and they're able to connect dots.
Oh, it's so important. Sometimes students don't know what they don't know, and really being able to speak to them at such a young age and introduce them to opportunities to make construction cool again. It's just a great opportunity to introduce them and engage them at a young age to get involved.
So what we're learning post-COVID is that students do not want the traditional classroom experience anymore. So the more we can expose them to hands-on industry experiences, I think it'll help.
That hands-on experience can not only make them feel confident and prepared, but also change that perception to say, this is so much more than I thought it was. There's a place for me here that I might never have seen before.
And that's why we do spend a lot of time with them. It starts with sustainability and design and all the way to the subtrade. So we really try and cover every part and piece of what makes up the construction industry, as well as construction adjacent like manufacturing. We want to make sure that every opportunity that they may see or hear about, that they have a little bit deeper understanding of it and can then pursue it based off of their experience and based off of what their likes and dislikes are.
Students already have a lot of knowledge. It might not be the exact content knowledge that they need, but with opportunity and with some project-based learning and with hands-on approach, they're going to be able to solve real-world problems that are going to make an impact for communities and even big, large corporations.
I think we're dealing with a generation that has seen the shortcomings of the conventional education system, and they're looking for something more. So programs like this can deliver on that promise of what school can be and what it should be, and help students really recognize their full potential and find the opportunities that are right for them after graduation.
Having the opportunity to see something in your backyard or see a partner that you maybe seen on a billboard now face to face with you and telling you what it actually is something that everyone gets a chance to do. And I think that's the one thing I'm most proud of the program is the young people get to sit in front of people that have done it at the highest level and can hopefully help them chart their own path within it. The Rising Stars program helps support the future of the construction industry.